Outboard motors, or OBMs, are essential components of rescue boats, providing the power and reliability needed in critical situations. An OBM is essentially a portable engine mounted on the transom of a boat, allowing for maneuverability and speed. These engines are designed to be lightweight, making them perfect for rescue operations where every second counts. So, how does an OBM work? At its core, it operates by drawing in air and fuel, mixing them in the combustion chamber, and igniting the mixture to create power. This power turns the propeller, propelling the boat forward. The beauty of OBMs lies in their simplicity and efficiency. They can be started quickly, which is crucial when time is of the essence during a rescue. When it comes to types of OBM engines used on rescue boats, there are generally two main categories: two-stroke and four-stroke engines. Two-stroke engines are lighter and provide more power for their size, making them ideal for quick maneuvers. However, they are less fuel efficient and produce more emissions. On the other hand, four-stroke engines are more fuel efficient and environmentally friendly, but they tend to be heavier and bulkier. Choosing the right type depends on the specific needs of the rescue operation. The benefits of using OBMs in rescue operations are numerous. First and foremost, their reliability is unmatched. In emergency situations, you need equipment that you can trust to perform flawlessly. OBMs are designed to withstand harsh marine environments, ensuring they start when you need them most. Additionally, their speed allows rescue teams to reach those in distress quickly, potentially saving lives. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Regulations surrounding OBMs are strict, especially when it comes to emissions and safety standards. It's crucial for operators to stay informed about local regulations to ensure compliance. Regular maintenance is also key to keeping these engines in top shape. This includes checking the fuel system, inspecting the propeller, and ensuring the cooling system is functioning properly. A well-maintained OBM not only performs better, but also lasts longer, providing peace of mind during critical missions. In summary, outboard motors are vital for rescue boats, offering speed, reliability, and efficiency. Understanding how they work, the different types available, and the importance of maintenance can make all the difference in a rescue operation. For those of you involved in maritime activities, whether as seafarers or learners, knowing the ins and outs of OBMs can enhance your skills and preparedness on the water.